Yeah?
Good.
Good, good, good. You ready? Good. So this is a President's Day workshop. It's our second workshop 2019. And today we're going to be doing work for Website Depot. So basically, the next workshop won't be in a couple months because the next holiday is Memorial Day weekend. So that being said, this is very important workshop for us to work on our own properties. So we're going to divide ourselves in 5 different groups. We're going to be creating landing pages, redesign the home page, establishing our proposals, flyers, brochures, right? Relaunching 2 of our websites, right? We're going to relaunch today SEO Servicing. Who remember this website? And website design LA. No, that's Design Your Web. Okay? So those are going to be like a sister companies. Okay? This is going to be affordable SEO / marketing. This will be affordable web design.
And what are the addresses of those 2 units?
This one, both of them very nice.
Got it.
Yeah. So website design LA used to rank #1 in Google for web design.
Got it.
But then we get so many leads, people want to build $600 websites, so we just shut this down. So here the design team's going to basically work. Where is Alvin?
Alvin's not here.
Doesn't here yet, okay. So design team, Alvin, Mark, and Jenny, okay? You guys are going to be working on Website Depot, Website Design LA, and Servicing. 3 things today. And then developers, where is Edwin? He's not here yet, okay. Is he coming?
I texted, I called him.
Okay. Taxi.
Admin.
Okay. So what else is going to happen? Basically, we're going to do a facelift up of our own company. Okay, we have right now 2 locations besides this one, which is San Diego and New York. Now our client MoveWatch is expanding Arizona, Texas, Florida, and Nevada. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to ride with them. Okay, so we're going to be opening 4 more locations. There'll be Phoenix, Las Vegas, Austin, and Miami. Okay? Now, are you guys casting? Rob? You cast this a little bit? So how do we do that? First, look, today you're going to learn how the project is basically done, right? First we make a research. Okay, so we'll show you the research right now. We'll show you the top agency in the world, grossing $5 billion, Accenture Interactive, which is basically, now think about it. Accenture Interactive is the biggest digital agency in the world, but it's only 14% of a consultancy company. So basically their background is consulting, right? So we have now a couple people that we work with, Lisa Powers and Jack, that are consultant. Then we have the girl you guys met yesterday, Meredith. She's consultant too. So those type of people are the people we're looking for when we're going to be expanding, because they can bring us immediate clients. Okay, consultant. So they're already established. They have their own clientele. They help business owners, right, with whatever it is. So we just detach to them, say, hey, we are a full service marketing team. You give us your customers, and we do the revenue share with them. That helps us expand to other areas faster. So what do we need now? We need the entire facelift, right? So that meaning is we need 4 extra landing pages, right? We have San Diego, we have New York, and we have organic and CPC. Why do we have two in each city? Why do you think is that? Why do we have two landing pages for each city? Organic? Why is organic different than CPC landing page? Anyone?
Is it specific to like geolocating when a person's requesting where they're at, like versus near me, or just in general to the surrounding area? I don't know if that has something to do with.
Let's say both websites, we can cast them. Landing pages, so website Zippo / New York SEO, right? Or New York marketing. They're both like that.
Yeah.
One is for CPC, because CPC basically is not indexed by Google. It's an invisible page for organic people. Sometimes, I don't know if it happens to you, but I've seen many times people click on the ad and they're like, oh, that's not their website. Right? Because they landed on a specific landing page that you can't actually see unless you click on the ad.
Quick question. So the Google bots won't look at CPC pages?
No.
They'll just look at, okay.
Yeah, Google bots don't look at CPC pages because they are not SEO friendly. They are specifically made for paid traffic. Right? You pay to get visitors. So you don't care about Google best practice for SEO. Right? You care about conversions. What converts better. So when you do those, you do A/B split test. Okay?
And you blog robots on that page, or you have an option of inviting robots?
Yes, exactly. You do this through Yoast. You de-index the page. In 2016 February workshop, who was on the 2016 February workshop? Raise your hand.
Dang. Gosh.
You were here.
I wasn't here.
2016?
I was there in
You were there.
April.
Nick, Rob. Okay. You guys remember we created like 8 specific landing pages? One was called LinkedIn, one was called Twitter, one was called Facebook. We still have those on Website Depot. They're basically designed for specific channel. So LinkedIn audience will see a different landing page than Twitter audience, okay? And that's reason behind it is because there's different people in different channels. Okay? Not every demographic is on each channel. So those pages are specifically designed to target those people. Right? It's target marketing. When it comes to organic, first thing you need is what? A lot of
Keywords.
text, yeah, keywords, yeah, right? A lot of text. How many words should we have on organic page for New York? What is recommended for best ranking?
1,000.
On the first page?
Who knows? It's a bit higher than that.
1,300 is mine.
1,600.
Stock
Between
2000.
1800 and 1900. If you're going to look at the top ranking sites, this is how much content they have on those specific landing pages. 1300 is not enough anymore. It's going higher up. So now imagine if you're paying $40 per click, do you want to show people 2,000 words?
No.
No, right?
No.
But organically, you kind of have to if you want to outrank your competitors, right? So that's why you have 2 landing pages. One that is visual, very attractive, has a lot of images, right? Call to action, and then another one that is still attractive but has a lot of text and is really long. Okay? So we have right now 1, 2, 3 cities currently on the site, and we're adding 4, right? That equals 14 landing pages. That's what we're going to be creating today. What is good to have on an organic landing page besides words?
CTA buttons.
CTA buttons, okay?
Oh, well, yeah.
What else?
Address and phone number.
Okay, address, phone number, yes? What phone number do you want to see if you're on a New York website? You want to see 818?
212.
917.
Exactly.
212.
Local number, right? Okay, what else? What else you want to see?
Featured on major sites.
Featured, okay? Featured on, that's very good. What else?
Case study?
Your site.
Case study?
Links to the main website.
Excuse me?
Links to the main website.
Links, okay? What else?
Images.
Is there difference between organic and CPC, how many links you see?
Hyperlinks or?
It is, right? It's a different menu. Yes, have noticed that?
Yeah, smaller.
Smaller menu, yeah, exactly. CPC has a very small menu. The good company in CPC, the campaign is LegalZoom. Have you guys clicked on the LegalZoom ads before? Okay, you guys want to do that. You're going to kind of see it different. And then look at the homepage. It's a completely different website, okay? And specifically, what are you clicking on? What else do we need?
Live chat, if you want.
Live chat, okay? What else?
SSL sticker.
SSL sticker, yeah? Credentials in the bottom.
Email capture.
Google Partner logo, for example, right?
Sign up for like email capture or sign up for newsletter.
Okay, this is about CTAs, right? We need to have email bait. What is our email bait?
An SEO report.
That's one. What is another one?
Free audience.
Hmm?
Ebook.
Consultation? Ebook, yes. Ebook. Ebook. If you guys were wondering, one of those names, 51 employees on Website Depot. Jessie, she's our ebook writer. She writes ebooks for us. She's written over 500 ebooks for different fields. So this is also a power up that we are offering customers through WD shop that we're going to talk about as well in the workshop. What else do we need on the landing page?
Social media tags.
Social media, okay, social media is like exit, those are the exit buttons where people exit your website. Yeah, if we are paying $40 to $50 per click, we kind of don't want people to go to our website and then go to the Instagram and then they just start looking at the pictures of other people instead of our company. Video, exactly. We need a video, right? Very important. Video is one of the ranking factors. We want to have local video. So social media group is they prepare a different scripts for our video that we're going to create for those 7 cities. What else do we need? We guys forgot one very, very important thing.
HTAGs.
Okay, that's already here. H-tags is all here in SEO.
Contact
My
form?
bad.
We need that.
Is it call tracking?
Code tracking, we have number we set. We have code tracking number. Reviews, right?
Yeah.
It's one of the most important things what other people say about you. Right? This is what, remember 5 rules the Google stated what you need to have on a landing page? What other, exactly, testimonials. What other people say about you. It's very important. Right? Testimonials. Lead is so easier to convert. Right? If somebody refers to somebody, the lead is already 80% converted. If somebody says, your car breaks down, someone says, go to see this mechanic. Your good friend, relative, whatever it is, right? You're most likely going to do so. That's why you're asking for help. So testimonials are basically helping that conversion. Okay, so we need those, and now we need to make testimonials look real, legit, right? Not just like back in the day. Remember, we would just write testimonials, boom, 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 and we have a text. That's it, and the first name, Danny S. Boom. That's not good. That's not legitimate review testimonial. This is like, somebody wrote it themselves. The reviews, they need to have stars, okay? They need to have a picture, who is giving us this testimonial. Okay, they need to have a link to whoever that is, right? So the way, or the link to the actual review, like Yelp or whatever it is, so it looks real. And what is better than written testimonials?
Video.
Video testimonials, right? Yes, we need video testimonials. Have you guys seen video testimonials on Amazon? Yes.
Yeah.
Converts the product a lot. So this is part of the Amazon SEO that we are offering as well, video testimonials. Okay, so now we have a landing pages and we have CPC pages. So any questions about that? Everybody understands the difference now? The designers, the social media people, writers, yes? Okay. We have shop.website depot. Who's been on this website before?
So where you can like check out.
Yeah.
Every week.
Rob, okay. Who else? You? Me? Okay. Anybody else?
I went on it.
You've been on it? You've been doing some...
Working on the
This is our e-commerce.
graphics on it.
This is our e-commerce. Here we can do self-service. Alright? So, you guys need to be aware of that. Right now when we are expanding and growing company, we don't have a same process selling 3 hours of web maintenance as we do have selling a $5,000 marketing package. It's a different process. So the process basically, we're trying to automate it, right? Through our e-commerce. What they need, they check out, they pay, and we do the work. We don't need to be taking the credit card down. We don't have our bookkeeper writing the invoice, right? And all of that stuff. So we have that. Then we have another one called reports. That website is Depot. Who's been on that website? Okay. What does this give our customers? This link, reports.websitedepot.com.
Shows them everything, right?
Ranking,
I mean, the
Ranking, yes, what else?
clicks,
Yeah.
Clicks,
Clicks,
Errors.
social profile. I mean,
conversions, yes, what else? Social, yeah. What else? GMB. It's called a dashboard, right? We call it the dashboard. It's a marketing dashboard where they can see all of the data from Google Analytics, social, website, e-commerce conversion, okay, SEO, ranking, backlinks, everything. So one dashboard, they can see the whole 9 yards what they need to see. Okay, and today, what's going to happen is we are launching a new subdomain called Lina. That website is depot.com. Who knows who's Lina? What that's going to be?
That's so
We're going to spell it like that.
Liana.
Oh, sorry. Leena. We're not going to spell it like Armenian movie star, okay? Huh?
Like this? So we wrote on the board.
That's, I know we wrote over with the I, but we
You
have it,
changed it,
if you, I didn't change it, Ella changed it. It's on a Trello. If you scan the Trello right now, you will see the new name. So, this is gonna be website Zippo artificial intelligence software that's been in incubator by Nick Jeffers for the past year and a half, right? Former snitch, getting the new name, Lina. So,
I like speech better.
Yeah, same.
Lina's more Siri friendly, isn't it?
Yes. She's trying to sell you out. Trying to make you buy a
Okay.
used car.
So, now I want to tell you what we want Lina to do. Okay? So somebody can clear up this board, please. Lina, the first thing Lina is going to do is the snitch is converting to Lina. So basically does monitoring for us. If the website is slow, it let us know, hey, this website is slow. If website, the robots are off, it let us know, hey, robots are off. If website drops in ranking, tell us that. If we spend too much time on the website, right? You tell us, hey, you guys spend too much time. It's only allocated
24-hour oversight.
Yeah, so it's like a supervisor,
Yeah.
right? Idea for Lina was basically created by Nick thinking like, hey, why do we need to do manual work so much, right? We have over 200 websites that we need to run GT metrics every week. That's all we're running.
Yeah.
Why don't we pay a fee, API fee, right? You guys know what API stands for, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Who that, Archie, explain Archie what API stands for. API is basically servers communicating between each other. So let's say you have data on Google Analytics, you have data on GT Matrix. So our server where website is hosting and connect to their server, grabs information, right? Or interferes with the server and copy paste.
Like automated programming interface, I think.
So yeah, so you don't have to, you know, copy paste, or you don't have to log in or whatever.
It's like having the functions of another company's website through yours.
Oh.
Like when someone comes to that part of your site and they call for that function, they want like a payment. It's like you're going to
Thank you.
PayPal's bank, using their payment processor instantly through your site. It's like a handshake between the different companies. Yeah, that's what. Think of it like a handshake between the website and whatever you're trying to.
And there is a
do.
fee, big
Yeah.
fee, right, for anything. More impressive how bigger the fee is. So Lina right now has a current function of running the GD Matrix report, call tracking reports, Google Analytics reports, Time Doctor reports, robots report, latest blog post report. Okay, those are the things Lina already has. Now what else needs to have is basically we wanted to integrate with our sales team, our maintenance team, sales. So Lina's going to communicate with shop.website depot. Okay? She'll also communicate with our CRM system. CRM? What CRM system are we using?
It's a HubSpot, right?
HubSpot. Yes.
Customer retention.
HubSpot.
Retention.
Customer
Relationship
management.
management. Thank you.
Okay? Also is going to connect to our docs.website depot.
Docs.
Yeah. What is that?
The payment submitting site.
Yes.
What?
So we don't write credit cards anymore down, right? What did you say, customer? 435357357? Sam, run this credit card. Oh, it's a wrong card number. Hey, customer, give me the wrong card number now. We have this. Okay? And we also have, she's going to communicate with, through this communicates with proposals.blvd.com. What is that? Proposify. Yes. I'm a little bit tricky right now just to see if you guys are waking up from Friday night, okay? That's a Proposify. So exactly this is going to communicate with a Proposify. Okay? Proposify integrates for the past 2 weeks with HubSpot, right? So now automatically, as soon as you write a proposal in a HubSpot, what happens in HubSpot?
It logs it.
Creates a deal.
Okay, it logs it, but what does it log?
Deal.
Deal. It opens a deal and starts a sales pipeline, right? Automatically has track out of our thousands of contacts into our top 50, 100 contacts that we have that we want to work on. Okay? So that's what it's already doing. Now, what else we wanted Lina to do? What are you guys thinking?
Hours spent on the year, hour, time.
It does time out.
Track yellow time on
It's
time,
does-
time doctor. The problem is nobody tracks their time right. That's the real problem. But
That's another story.
Red
Talk
flag
about
is
that
yellow.
later.
Check keystroke entries on,
Yes. Lina is checking your time doctor activity,
time doctor.
right? And activity of our outsourced people, right? There is more people working for Website Depot out of the office than in the office. So it's very important for us to track those people, right? What they are doing, how they are doing. Virtual assistants, for example, right? So Lina can tell us, say, this virtual assistant is not working right, is spending too much time on social media, is at the places it shouldn't be, right? And the activity of the keyboard and mouse is lower than average, right? Who has the biggest activity? Edwin, yes. Edwin does how many moves per minute?
program.
Between 200 and 300 moves per minute does that, exactly. That's a fast moving. Yeah. Okay.
Brad,
Quick.
Gas, where is he?
So at certain point, right, Lina is gonna basically say, hey, this person is working slow. Okay? And then we're gonna talk to that person, hey, why are you working so slow? What are you doing?
Because we're on the phone.
Okay, we won't be like Target, okay? Because Target has a special tool. Target basically has a manager computer. Computer can fire you. And if Target Computer fires you, you just can't get a job back. You have to wait 6 months. Yes, so you guys.
Wow.
It happened to one of our guys in the
Okay,
house.
we don't have to talk about that. Who did that to? How do we know that? But that's a fact. Okay, we wouldn't say we wouldn't do for a fact. So there wasn't like Danny or Sam or somebody. But hey, I'm late a little bit. It's like sorry, I'll be in the system. You work here 4 days. You're twice late. You're fired. Okay, so we're not gonna have Lina do that. Okay.
She can be tough though, is what you're
She
saying.
can be
right?
tough, yes.
Okay.
Exactly. She can be tough. She can monitor
Thanks,
people.
Nick. Thanks.
You need to get a book on your computer. Mom.
Okay.
Why don't we call it Big Brother then?
It's too late, Mama.
I thought that joke.
It's too late. It's Lina. Are there other companies
Or Big
following
Sister,
the same
whatever.
model, or you
Big
came
Sister.
up with
Big
this yourself?
Sister.
No, a lot of companies have their own artificial intelligence already built in. Everybody is working on it. Like, Google has their own ways, that people are trying to automate certain things. We have the tools, they're just not using it to their maximum. Like HubSpot is one of the biggest CRM platforms on the planet. It integrates with over 4,000 different SaaS platforms.
Wow.
Integrates with whatever you want. There's an infographic. Bob, can you pull that infographic out, the big one that I showed?
It's on my phone.
It's your phone? Okay.
I can get it.
So we'll print you out, you will see the integration. And this is what they're going to show in San Diego. In San Diego, they're going to show us next week another screenshot with more integrations. So integrations are just piling up and piling up. So that being said, if you program everything correctly, okay, it's a setup time, but when it's a setup, it does work for you. So how we're going to program this new Lina is basically help our sales team. Our sales team is overwhelmed with communicating past leads. People that we build their websites in the past. People that ask us for proposals that they didn't close up or whatever. So we're going to program Lina through HubSpot to do a sequence automation. Basically to send out emails weekly, monthly, like a lead funnel, right? Communicating with our leads on our behalf. Okay, so we don't have to communicate. And then it's gonna generate automatic schedules that integrate with our Google Calendar. Okay, so pay attention to the Google Calendars. Who is using this tool right now? Raise your hand. Raise your hand, let me see your hands. Higher, 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 higher. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people are using this integration. But we are paying for all of you guys' integrations, so everyone needs to use it, so you can be automatically booked by Lina's system, whatever services you might want to be booked for.
What about the HubSpot one?
This is what I'm talking about.
Oh, well then.
HubSpot Calendar is your Google Calendar.
Oh.
They communicate together. So when somebody goes to HubSpot, book consultation with Danny, 49, for example, right? They book me up, automatically I'm booking my Google Calendar. If I want to book out the date, I just book up on my Google Calendar. I book up the date and then automatically I'm not available on this scheduling system. So that's why you have to use Google Calendars. Google Calendars are part of our Google App system, right? What is it called? They rename. They don't call it Google Apps anymore. What do they call them right now? Who knows? Come on! Jesus Christ. What is the new name for Google Apps?
Ads? I can't hear what you're saying. I'm sorry.
Apps.
Oh, extensions?
No. Plugins?
We don't know.
We don't know.
It's called G Suite. All part of the G Suite, it comes with 47 apps. Includes Google Calendar, Gmail, Drive, everything we use, right? This is our G Suite. It's called G Suite. They rebrand from Google Apps to G Suite. You guys need to know that because we are a Google App partner. So when we get a customer to work with us, this is what we recommend. This is the only email that we recommend. We don't recommend one-on-one. We don't recommend 365. We don't recommend Outlook or whatever that people are using, or Gmail itself. We recommend G Suite. What is the price for G Suite?
$5 or $10 per user.
Went up.
It's going up next month, exactly. It was 5 and 10, yeah? 5 and 10, correct? And now it's going to be 6 and 12.
You pay $12 every 6 months?
Per person.
Every month per person.
Per person.
So every email that we have for you was $10 a month right now, now it's gonna be $12. And this is what we recommend because it comes with the unlimited data. This one comes with 15 gigs, this one comes with unlimited data. And it comes with the backups. Okay? So let's say if your emails get deleted, we can call Google, say, hey, Curtis's all emails got deleted, we want to restore them, boom, they push them back for us. We have a mirror server that we are paying for. And this is what we recommend to our customers to have. So Lina is going to now integrate with your calendars, HubSpot, and a booking system. Okay? And how is that going to work? For example, we launched the website in January. Okay? Let's say January 5th. Because you guys are not understanding what I'm trying to say. So let's say the launch happened. And right now, we need to get in contact with this customer, right? Because we build them a website. Our goal is not building a website. Our goal is building businesses. So we want to contact them and say, hey, you have a website, now you need a web makers, you need SEO, you need marketing, you need something. So our sales team, they need to call this lead, right? And follow up with them, let's say, in 2 weeks. They're not doing that. They're too busy, they forget, whatever it is. So our Lina is going to do sequence email. He's going to say, how are you? How's your website? Everything okay? We're just checking in. Did you know website is that? Marketing statistics, competitor statistics, and then book consultation now. Okay? So customer's going to get an email. Then it's going to be programmed, if customer looks at the email and reads it for 30 seconds or more, send this email to customer. If customer is only opening the email and reading and not reading it at all, send them a reminder email. If customer is looking at the email more than 2 or 3 times and clicking on it so many times, then trigger the email to our director of sales to get in contact with this customer because this customer is hot, is thinking about it. Okay? And customer books this through Google Calendar, integrated with a HubSpot, and all of a sudden you have marketing consultation in your calendar. Just like a doctor appointment. Okay? Now let's say if customer doesn't do anything, then we say, okay, we're going to give them entire month. So here we are sending another email. Customer doesn't do anything about it, then we send them another email in another month. And then we say, ever since we launched your website, WordPress has been updated twice, right? Yoast has been updated twice, and other plugins that we can integrate through our WP shuttle. We can say your website is at risk. There's 37 plugins that haven't been updated yet. And then instead of our sales department, we trigger our web maintenance department, but not through talk to the developer type of a thing, right? Because we don't want to now talk to those customers anymore because they lost all of the privileges to talking to us. So we send them to shop. And that does sell for us. And once the sale happens, what this does, it triggers back in our CRM system a task for a web maintenance manager, right, to do 3 hours of web maintenance, update those 36 plugins back up the website.
Are you guys building Lina to also build the websites at some point? So it just does everything? Like, well, that's what I'm saying, you know? Like,
You getting worried?
Goodness,
I know in the
you're
future.
thinking too much in my head.
A lot of Star Trek movies over there.
I don't know, man. I've seen advertisements on Facebook for an AI
Oh,
that
I've
builds
seen
your
that
website.
too, but it's super shitty. I actually.
It is?
I've
Well-
them. Yeah, basically it's just like a template.
Oh.
You pick the template you're gonna get for your website. It's like
So it's like
AI.
half like a drag and drop, half let it do its thing or something. I don't know.
Yeah, it's just fill in the blanks.
Yeah.
It's like, what's the information about the site? What do you do? And then they just
Yeah.
plug and play.
The problem with website builders and like templates is like if you're not unique anymore, you're just like everybody else. There's
Yeah,
no
it's like a one size fits all website approach. Yeah.
Okay. And then if customer doesn't do nothing in 2-3 months, right? And we host the website, then the customer gets an email, your hosting is suspended. Okay? Suspension email. That's because to secure our servers. People that don't want to update their website want to work with them, so just people that we don't want to work with either. We don't want to have nothing to do with them because they can be a cancer to other websites, right? They can bring viruses in, they can breach security systems for us, so we can be hosting customers' website if they are not willing to keep paying for working the website. And this is where we are different than any other company, like Wix or whatever, or those self-website builders. Right? We want to make sure that the websites we build are working for customers' advantage, helping them grow their business. Okay, what else you guys think Lina's going to do for us?
She's gonna spy on competitors' websites?
Hmm.
Yes, good. Competition. We're gonna
Our
use,
competitors or?
we're gonna integrate Lina with SEO tool called Spyful. You guys know about Spyful, right? Yes. Good, good. All right, I like that. What else? Think about what you do. Okay, just think about what you do every day. For example, if you are doing everyday screenshots of social media accounts, right? Hey, these screenshots. Then this is a waste of time. We can have computer that do for us, right? So that's why you need to think. Whatever is taking too much of your time, we can have computer do it for us. So that way we can focus on added values, not of the work that is repetitive and boring and annoying.
Would it check for broken links on the sites?
Yes.
It's gonna do a lot of that stuff.
Yeah, it already integrates with the WordPress and Yoast and all that stuff.
You mentioned Shuttle, which is like.
How about grabbing and resizing a lot of images and organizing them, alphabetizing and bringing it back to customers?
That's going to be, look, the Lina is an internal tool right now, right? What's going to happen with Lina is it's going to become something like a dashboard for the website that we built, okay? So that, for example, if you guys know Scorpion, right? You guys know Scorpion. Scorpion has a specific dashboard, yourdomainname.com/dashboard, right? You guys know Boomtown. Who's logged into Boomtown before? Raise your hand. Chad is not here. Sasha is there? You haven't? I didn't show you?
I saw it, I think, but I can't remember.
Yeah, it was a really cool game.
This is the #1 marketing platform, web agency just like ours, for real estate agents. People that want to be in real estate. They should look into that. Because what it does
I've heard of marketing.
is basically integrates with MLS and all other things, and is a good lead generation marketing tool. It works on the same principles like Scorpion. So imagine when you log into those things, right? To Scorpion websites built or to Boomtown websites built, they're built on WordPress. When you log in, they don't look like WordPress. They look like custom platforms. And it integrates with call checking matrix or call rail, right? With Yext. Who knows what is Yext? Raise your hands. No, other people don't know. Yext is a platform that does your local directory submissions. So for example, we change customers' numbers constantly for tracking purposes, right? So Yext, we can go on Yext, we can log in. It's a $600 a month platform, and we can change one phone number simultaneously in 150 directories. In a matter of minutes, it's changed all over. Google My Business, Facebook, whatever you have a number, it changes it for you automatically. It also tells you when you're getting reviews of any of those 150 directories. So the dashboards are allowing customers to reply to reviews on their dashboard. Right? So besides building the website for the customer, you're building them a marketing tool to use for their team. So you don't have to log into Yelp to reply to review, to Google My Business to reply to review, to Facebook to reply to the review. You just log into the dashboard and and you do it on behalf of those directories through Yext API integration. Again, API, of course, right? And when you get a one-star review, it triggers the email. It lets you know, hey, you got a one-star review, do something about it. Okay? Yes. So you guys need to understand that, so you guys understand what we're building. That's going to be a second phase, right? When this is done internally, then we're going to launch this externally. Okay? And build our websites like that. And then what happens is, there's a copyright issue. So if your website is built by those big boys, then they own the copyrights of your website.
Wow.
And when you cancel marketing package with them, guess what happens with your website?
They keep it.
They keep it. You lose your website. So they kind of trapped you on one hand. On the other hand is they cannot release the copyrights because these platforms are worth millions of dollars. Those people got funny VC capital to build those platforms. Okay? It's expensive sport we're talking about. We'll show you more insights later. But let's focus now today on what we are building now. It is internal tool to help us be more efficient and effective what we do every day. What else you guys want Lina to do for you? Be realistic, okay? No jokes. We don't need her to make us coffee.
Bring new business, I guess.
Bring you business, yes.
I already have it starting to pull like WooCommerce, like for sales and stuff. If there's WooCommerce and Gravity Form submissions through too. I want to eventually have it look for certain things to kind of determine real leads versus fake. And if it says like India or something in the lead, then like it's not. So we can kind of give them stats like, hey, you got like 30 contact form
Okay,
submissions.
that's good. Contact forms, okay.
Sold 6,000.
I like that. I also like sales. We have on the HubSpot marketing. HubSpot marketing. I don't know if you guys know about that. When was the last time anybody looked at marketing in HubSpot? Okay, what do you see on marketing tab on HubSpot? What can we see?
Look for leads, or is that?
Email blasts, I think.
No, you wouldn't know because you haven't been logged in. Huh?
Unless you do email blasts on there.
Marketing dashboard on HubSpot lets you see any company that is visiting your website. For example, in the last week on our website were employees or companies from Google, Yelp, Facebook, State of California, right? IBM, Microsoft, our competitors, Strive Marketing, for example. Those are people on our website. Okay? We can see that. When you go to somebody's website from our IP, Website Depot IP, our Website Depot IP is branded as Website Depot. Whatever websites you guys visiting, if they have a HubSpot integration, they know we are on their website. The same way like we know they're on our website. Right? IPs are companies branded. Okay? This is a big data that HubSpot owns. So for example, if you guys are looking at something, we can see that and Tribe Marketing, for example, is now our competitive company going for the same customer. So we are checking them, they know we are checking them, they're checking us.
Security badge, you know? Security.
Okay, so this is what marketing does for you, and it can integrate, like Curtis said, if you want to help sales, it can integrate with our Lina system and triggers, commands. Right? Hey, this company is looking at your website. Maybe we should contact them, right? And then what we can do is integrate with the Google and the Facebook ads and show them certain ads. Okay? So it's called marketing automation. That's what we're going to build Lina for too. Okay, what else?
Can I have a suggestion, or like a question if we could do it, like a keyword suggester? So we get a new SEO client, it'll run the SEMrush reports and it'll run what they're already ranking for, and also like, I'm not really sure how to go, like organize them, be like, hey, these are the best keywords for us to focus on for this client.
Good, very good point.
What if they don't have keywords already? Like SEMrush doesn't have anything.
If SEMrush doesn't have anything, then where do we go if SEMrush doesn't have anything?
No.
Long tail pro.
It's fine. Just see what the competitors are.
What's the next step?
Keyword tracker, really.
If SEMrush has 0 results, and we have this happening constantly with new websites, right? And then we send a ranking report in 45 days, not 30 days, right? There's a reason behind it why we have 45 days, because we go to Search Console, right? Search Insights. And this is where we pull out information. It's a big day coming for Google, which is going to be 4, 10, 19. What is happening that day?
G Plus says bye-bye.
It's going to be one of the biggest Google algorithms rolling out. The storm is coming. Ranking storm is coming, guys.
No, with another animal?
No, it's going to be an animal.
Oh, like penguin.
That's Google AI. It's Google Brain. Is rolling out another big algorithm. Google announced they are dropping off all Search Console. So all Search Console is going to go offline. Google stated their own deadline. What's going to happen is Google won't be able to do the mobile indexing first for all the websites. So the websites that Google are still giving the desktop indexing first credits, they're going to lose ranking completely.
Wow.
It's going to be a big drop if they don't re-index all the sites. But they announced that you won't be able to access old Search Console any longer. They're going to completely remove it, just like they're removing the Google Plus. Okay? So that's going to be a big change that we need to get ready for. So Search Console, this is where we find the keywords. If we don't find them in SEMrush, if we don't find them there, then of course we go to Keyword Planner, right? Keyword Planner is a free tool through Google Ads as an API access. They can integrate and gives you suggestion for any business between 500 to 900 keywords. But of course, now Lina won't be smart enough to figure out which ones are the best. So we will have to still be a human beings telling her what to do.
You can also search by keyword on SEMrush and it gives you related keywords.
SEMrush does integrate with Google API. It's based on Google API. Google is selling a lot of data. So SEMrush is a contractor with Google data. So what you're seeing on SEMrush, that's pulled down from Google Keyword Planner. But you're not seeing as much information as Google has. Google has more real data. Right?
And also Lina
Yeah.
can talk to Amazon with the merchant words.
Yes. You can talk to exactly Amazon marketing, merchant words, exactly, good point. Amazon SEO, merchant words. Very good. And then we have, what else we have? We can integrate with AMZ Data Studio, right? Just forgot about our meeting? What is that? We have it. This is our tool. This is a Amazon ranking tracker, right?
Yeah.
Like a Search Fox,
Amazon?
but for Amazon. And we told you guys to install in your browsers this tool so you can see where our clients are ranking on Amazon. It's a ranking software that tracks your rankings. Can integrate with that.
In parallel, you can do Jungle Scout too. You can check out all the how much sales per hour, per ASIN.
Yeah,
The Jungle Scout also.
exactly. What else? Jasmine, what would you like Lina to do for you?
Automatically send some emails if I haven't got back to the customer in like less than 24 hours.
Okay.
Upload it, right? So something in case you forget.
This is Google AI. If you updated your inbox, right? It reminds. You can set up reminders. If you look at your email, it says you haven't replied yet in 3 days.
I feel like it does it for you.
Okay, so you want her to just reply for you, and what do you want her to say?
Kind of like we'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Something.
Oh, okay. So delayed autoresponder, kind of like a vacation for autoresponder on Google.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good one. Autoresponder. I like it.
If you delay that 2 times, it's easy.
I was looking for something else that you're gonna say.
No.
I thought you're gonna say to help you brand images.
That's
That
right.
would be helpful.
So you can just upload them and then you just take them out with already customer's logo on it, ready to roll.
It's more for like project management that it reminds clients, hey, you haven't sent in the checklist.
Amen.
Okay, that would be. See, this is the thing. If we want to have those tools, we will have to change Basecamp.
Don't change Basecamp.
No, well, you asked.
You guys ready for another big change like that?
No, you can do like,
No.
do you have like a form for them to submit?
Who
the
wants to
checklist?
change Basecamp so it can be more automated? Who will be?
No.
Anyone?
We just learned Basecamp.
The one we
We
did
did
just
just
learned
learn
that.
that.
You gotta have a job.
Just got used to it.
It's like click, that's it, you know?
We need to have a job.
Okay, if you guys want more project management automation tool, we need to look at the other couple biggest platforms. I'm gonna be meeting the owners next week with those platforms, and we can do that, but not with the Basecamp.
Just sit there and watch.
Basecamp is not automation based. Basecamp is just friendly. That's what it is. So we can do that, but we'll have to change.
Basecamp has a reminder, if you just set a date, if they don't respond.
No like the API stuff and automation. They don't have that.
Or like, I have TTT.
Lena's got like tentacles,
I
man.
thought
All at the same time, it's grabbing information from.
Not for automation.
I had one question.
We contacted them a few times. They're working on it. They said.
Because Lina stands, is like Elena's name like mixed up in there?
No.
Pretty much.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
Nick was a snitch, now Elena's
Oh, that was nice, Nick.
I didn't remember the name.
Alejandra.
He cannot do with the name, guys. Okay? It was Alejandra. And she's coming. She's gonna confirm
Eventually.
eventually.
I had one question. It's kind of backtracking. It's about the suspending the hosting. When we sell a website, then are they going to have that notice in the contract?
Yeah, we do.
That way, it just doesn't hit them from left field, or they.
Of course.
Yeah,
Okay,
give
Of
us-
course.
We'll start doing that. Okay.
Yeah.
Depending on their hosting choice. if they're-
Right now, we don't even have like a specific hosting contract.
Right.
See, hosting companies are basically, hey, you need to update this, you need to update PHP, you need to update that. If you don't update that, we'll charge you extra, we'll suspend your
Right.
hosting, or, those are things that you can just do. This is like a prepaid phone, If you don't pay the balance, then it gets disconnected,
Right.
Anything else? Okay, so now we're gonna be separating in 5 different groups. Design group, okay, Alvin, Elena, and Mark, okay? Alvin, Mark, and Jenny, sorry. It's confusing with this name right now, apologize. That's gonna be design team. You guys are gonna be working on landing pages, website depot, homepage redesign. Think about it, we'll have 7 locations now. Look at the Thrive Marketing website, and look at that, the biggest company that I put in the cello, right? Look at them, Interactive, Accenture Interactive. So we're gonna go in that phase. Then we're gonna have Lina team. It's gonna be Nick and Edwin and Sasha. Okay. Then we have a sales team, Robert, Evelyn, and Evelyn. She wants to be in sales too. And Liz. You guys gonna be redoing the proposals, the email templates. Okay. Then we're gonna have a social media team. There's gonna be Jasmine, Carolina, Arshia, okay? We have a contact team, Nicholas and Zeke. And then we're gonna have rest of you guys we're gonna have in the support team, okay? You guys are gonna basically be doing figure out the best landing pages you guys can see for competitors, okay? Putting together the video script, putting together like a new ebook ideas, okay? Putting together ideas for local marketing. That's gonna be Michaela's team. And that's only Curtis, Michaela, Morgan, and then the other girls are that show up later. They're coming at 11. Said they're gonna be late already yesterday. Any other questions? So separate those groups, design, Lina and web team in the sales office, social media, content, and sales this office. Okay? We'll have a little 10 minutes break right now, get some bagels, coffee, Red Bulls, and then we'll have a lunch like 12:30 to 1, okay?